Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arianto Dwi Putra. I'll talk about find the slope of the line containing the given points 9,4 and -1,2. Okay, answer. The formula is slope equals rise over run equals delta y over delta x equals variable m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, where is x1 equals 9, y1 equals 4, x2 equals -1, and y2 equals 2. Okay, because the values of x1 y1 x2 and y2 have been found, we can immediately enter the formula, namely variable m equals y2 equals y2 variable m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, equals y2 equals 2 minus y1 equals 4 over x2 equals -1 minus x1 equals 9 equals 2 minus 4 equals -2 over -1 minus 9 over -1 minus 9 equals -10. Okay, equals equals 1/5. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Khaerani from Group 2. I wanna ask to Arianto. What if the x1 is exchanged by x2 will be still the same value?
Okay, I will answer the question for the Nurul Ulfa. Namely, if the value of x1 and x2 is the same, the value will be different, because if x1 equal -1 and x2 equal 9, then the result will be -2/10. And the previous result is positive. If changed, the result will be negative. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurul Khatimah Syahid from Group 1, and now I wanna ask to Arianto Dwi Putra, if the value of y1 and y2 are swapped, will the final result remain the same or not? Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.
If the value of y1 and y2 is the same, the value will be different, because if y1 equal 2 and y2 equal -4, then the result will -6 over -10, and this will be different from the initial result. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'm Febrianti Khoirunnisa. I will describe one of the questions from the book is an individual assignment. And I choose one of the questions from chapter 1 in material 1.4 about equation of lines and modeling. And the questions: find an equation, the line containing the point 2, min 8 and min 5, min 1. And the answer: firstly, we must know the value of gradient. For know that value of gradient, we can get with the formula m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. From the equation that we can see y2 equals to -1, y1 equals to -8, and x2 equals to -5, and x1 equals to +2. Then we substituting that to the formula, and now we get -1 subtract -8 over -5 subtract 2. After that, we get the result 7 over -7, that equals to -1. And next, we substituting point slope equation, that we use the formula y minus y1 equals to m multiply x minus x1. In the formula, we substituting that y1, m, and x1. We know y1 equals to minus 8, x1 equals to positive 2, and for m gradient equals to minus 1. From there, we get y subtract minus 8 equals to minus 1 multiply x minus 2. From minus 1 multiply x minus 2, we get the product that x plus 2, and we for minus x explain with each at minus 8. We get y equals to minus x plus 2 minus 8, and for plus 2 minus 8 equals to minus 6. The result, we get the equation of y that y equals to minus x minus 6. And for solving for b, we use point 2 that minus 5 comma minus 1. Now we use slope-intercept equation substituting. Here we use the formula that y equals to mx plus b. Then we know the value of y and x and m. Then here we want to solve for b. The formula, we substituting that minus 5 and minus 1, we get minus 1 equals to minus 1 multiply minus 5 plus b. And for minus 1 multiply minus 5, that equals to positive 5. So now minus 1 equals to 5 plus b. And for now the value of b, we move that positive 5 with the explain to each subtract with 5. Now we get the result b equals to minus 5 subtract 1, and the last we get the value of b that minus 6. Maybe just that from me.
Okay, I'm Lydia Ananda Nasrul from the third group. I have a question for Febrianti Khoirunnisa in her video's presentation individual. Why we have to solve for b, even though that value of b is known in the equation y?
The first question, that from Lydia Ananda Nasrul, why we must solve for b? And the answer, where we know we have 2 points, and from the first equation that we get b equals to minus 6, and we have to make sure the value of b in the first equation, that equation y with the first point, is the same as the value of b with the second point. Thank you.
Okay, I am Alfina Pratiwi Amar from group 1. I have a question for Febrianti Khoirunnisa. Can you explain part of the intercept equation form?
Question that from Ayu Alfina Pratiwi Amar about part of intercept equation form. And the answer, when we know the form of intercept equation that y equals to mx plus b, where y as dependent variable, and it's also our y coordinate. And m a slope, rate of change and rise over run. And x is independent variable, and it's also our x coordinate. And b is y-intercept, where the line we are graphing crosses y-axis. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope my answer can help to your question.